A blessed day to everyone. Welcome to another townhouse tour, a video vlog of this property here at the heart of Quezon City, very near Banawe area, very near St. Therese College, and even at the heart of Manila, nearby Sampaloc, Manila. So if you have kids studying at St. Teresa's, Lourdes, or even sa Manila at UST, this is a common place, a common meeting ground for all of those things to happen. So are you excited? Pasok po tayo sa 4-story townhouse unit with a lot area of 72 square meters, a floor area of 280 square meters, unique, elegant, spacious, just for you. This may be the townhouse unit that you are looking for. So come on, pasok po tayo. So this townhouse unit has a width of 5 meters frontage and 14.4 meters. Kasyang-kasya po ang 2-car garage, 2 SUVs or pickups dito sa garage na ito. So one of a kind townhouse here at Quezon City. Kung makikita nyo, matibay po ang pagkakagawa ng ating gate. Yan, fabricated steel po, tas may mga locks din po. Dito po sa area na to, for those plantitas out there, you could have a mini pocket garden here where you could put plants or accents bago pumasok ng inyong bahay. So, kaya tayo po nag-house tour para makita nyo yung glimpse ng bahay bago nyo papuntahan so that you could have a full video house tour of the properties that you are looking for. So, I make your life simple para makita nyo na po ng video ang ating mga properties. So, this property may be yours. So, kung makikita nyo, pinag-isipang mabuti ang property na ito. Ito po yung electrical room. So, dito po nakalagay yung ating mga breaker panels. Yan. So, modern na po siya. Yan. 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 So, modern na po yung mga panels natin. Miniature panels po. So, electrical room po to. Dito naman po tayo sa ating water tank area. So, kakaiba po dito sa property na to because this is equipped with a hot and cold machine na po para sa ating Aqua Sky Plus, para po sa ating hot and cold. And then po, dito po, instead of a water tank, stainless water tank, meron po tayong cistern. Yan. So, malalim po yan. So, hindi po mauubusan ng supply ng tubig. So, dyan po pumapasok yung ating supply ng water. Yan. So, pasensya na po, medyo makalat pa. Kakatapos-tapos lang po ng construction. Yan. And here is our maid's quarters po, or maid's bedroom. So, makikita nyo, medyo malaki siya compared sa iba at ito po yung maid's bathroom. So dito naman po, kung makikita nyo, malamig po yung property. So dahil meron siyang full air well ventilation from ground floor up to 4th floor. At the same time, fire exit na rin po siya. So dito po yung dirty kitchen, ikakabit pa lang po yung lababo po niya. Po tayo sa 2nd floor. So kung makikita nyo, spacious po yung area at meron pa rin pong bintana dito sa likod. Yan. So yung door na to, hindi po tatama dahil po may magnetic floor hinge po sa baba. So door stopper po. At makikita nyo, premium po ang mga ginamit na locks. This is quick set. Matibay po yan. Sa ating mga devices naman po, ang ginamit po nila is Panasonic Wide Series po. Yan. So as you can see, yung ating staircase po, is made out of cement po na overlaid with wood planks na varnish. So makikita nyo yung staircase po, hindi po siya mahirap akyatin. So kahit po may mga senior tayo or kids, safe na safe po. Whoa! Can't you see this living room area and kitchen? It's an open concept kitchen, dining room, and living room area. So makikita mo walang division, the possibilities are endless. So kung meron kayong elderly sa bahay, like your mother, father, your grandparents, so at iniisip nyo, baka mahirapan po sila kasi yung ating rooms ay nasa 3rd floor, your problem solved. Dito po, pwede po natin gawing bedroom po. Lagyan lang po natin ng division po. So this is the 2nd floor. So kung makikita nyo, may spacious na balcony or terrace area. So at every floor, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, meron pong ganitong space. So meron po kayong a breath of fresh air, even living in this area. So hindi po mainit, well ventilated. So malaki pa rin po ang ating living room area, dining at kitchen. So bihirang-bihira po na may open concept dining kitchen, living room. Pero ito po yung in ngayon at maganda para sa airflow, ventilation. So, ito po ang ating kitchen countertop made of white granite. Okay? So, naka-cover pa po yan, kaya hindi po ninyo ma-appreciate pa yung ganda. So, ating mga modular cabinets, yan po. Neutral colors po siya. So, medyo beige na brownish po siya. So, kasama na rin po sa unit ang ating stovetop with the brand of Kata along with the range hood po. So, yung ating mga cabinets, yan po yung design. Yan. So, spacious po. Yan. So, actually, dito po, meron po tayong powder room. So, nakalock lang po. Yan. Pero makikita naman po natin yung sample ng ating bathroom sa third floor. Third floor area where the bedrooms are. So, makikita nyo, yung ating railings po is made of wood railings na may round bar po na painted po. So, ito po ang ating secondary room here. Yan. So, makikita nyo, spacious, comfortable. Yung floorings po niya is cement po overlaid with vinyl planks po. Yan. Para merong woody feel po. So, ito po yung sample ng ating bathroom. This is the only bathroom na bukas para po hindi po rin magamit ng mga workers while construction. Yan. So, ito po yung ating ventilation. So, as you can see, makakapal po yung ating mga aluminum ng ating mga sliding doors. Yan po yung bottoms up na ventilation. At makikita nyo, protected po yung property. Meron po siyang enough na firewall and space din po for your ventilation. So, even sa hallway po, ginawa po nilang functional. Pwede pong study area to. Meron pong outlets dyan eh. So, anywhere, pwedeng altar or something na pwede nyo ilagay. So, pasok na po tayo sa ating master's bedroom. Master's bedroom. As you can see, ito po yung ating bathroom. Like the other ones sa secondary room, spacious, neutral ang color, so hindi po mahirap linisin. So, sa ating namang master's bedroom, napakalaki. Yan, ang ating prefab na modular cabinets. So, pwede kang maghang, adjustable po siya. Yan. Ito po ay folding rack po. Yan. So, hindi po kayo mahihirapan sa unit na to. So, as you can see, napakarami ring outlets na abang po. So, hindi po mahirap, hindi na po kayo mag-extension and anything. Then, yung ating mga ceilings po is made up of recessed LED pin light po. Yan. So, ito po yung ating master's bedroom. Meron pa rin po siyang terrace po. So, pwede nyo pong buksan yung bintana or you could have your blackout curtains. So, ito po yung balcony dito sa third floor master's bedroom. As you could see, pwede kang magmuni-muni dito, makalanghap ng fresh air. As you can see, this is the skyline of Manila. That building is the condo unit of U Home. So, kitang-kita po dito yung UST area. So, malapit na malapit, papunta po kayo ng Santa Cruz, Banawe, Sampaloc, U-Belt. It's all accessible in this townhouse. As you can see, yung road po niya, 3 lanes, wide road po, hindi po masikip para sa inyong mga sasakyan. So, this is really value for money unit. So, considering the price of 26 million gross, this is a sure win, a value for money unit dahil napakalaki ng lot area, napakaganda po ng finishing. So, pulido, maayos, premium ang mga ginamit na materials. So, what are you waiting for? Let's proceed to the 4th floor. So, on to our last and 4th floor. So, hindi mo ramdam dito sa property na to na mataas or mahirap akyatin dahil nga napakaganda ng rise ng ating mga staircase. Yan. So, sa ating floors naman, this is made up of 60 by 60 polished na floor tiles. Premium floor tiles po. Hindi po madulas, pero madali pong linisin. Off-white po ang ating color. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung saan ang laundry area ng unit na to, this is your answer. This is the laundry area. So, pasok po tayo. Kasyang-kasya po ang anyong washing machine. May weatherproof outlet na rin po para sa inyong washing machine and makikita nyo, pwede na rin pong magsampay sa area na to. Meron na rin pong stairs para po sa ating pagre-repair ng roof. Yan. Hi! Welcome to our master's bedroom. So makikita nyo, yung door po ng ating mga bawat rooms ay solid doors po. Hindi po siya mga hollow lang po na mga molded doors. So, ito po ang ating master's bedroom dito. Yan. Ito po yung ating molded cabinets. Yan. Laminates po siya, prefabricated na rin po. So, makikita nyo, sizable naman po yung area. Kasya po ang double to queen size bed dito. As you can see, meron pa rin pong ventilation. Yan. Yan. So, napakaganda po ng view. Gusto nyo po ng open air or pwede po nyo lagyan ng split type air conditioning unit. So, dito po tayo sa 4th floor balcony. So, as you can see, meron pong water system po dito. So, ibig sabihin, pwede po kayong maglagay ng plants dito, ng hanging plants. Pwede po kayong magdilig. Or for your washing needs, kung may mga halaman po kayong ilalagay dito. So, are you excited dun sa ating last room? So, makikita nyo, this unit has 4 bedrooms. So, perfect for medium to big families. Meron din po siyang, bawat rooms po ay merong ensuite, toilet and bath. So, walang agawan po. Merong isang powder room po. Merong pong isang maid's room na may sariling bathroom and 2-car garage. Lot area of 72 square meters, floor area of 280 square meters. Brand new po, 2 units available. Hurry up! Baka ito na yung hinahanap mong bahay for 2024 for your family. Punta na po tayo sa ating last secondary bedroom dito po sa 4th floor. So just the same, kagaya nung nasa 3rd floor, ganito rin po kalaki yung ating bedroom po dito sa 3rd, 4th floor. So makikita nyo po, ito po yung ating cabinets. Malaki po. Yan. So ample space for your needs. Yan. So, meron din po siyang glass na drawer po dito. Yan. Para sa mga bags ninyo, sa mga wallets, jewelries. Ito naman po is folding rack po siya. Yan. Yan. So, pwede nyo po pong lagyan ng division dahil may mga slots po dyan. So, ito po yung ating bathroom. So, lahat po ng kwarto po dito may bathroom. So, hindi po kayo mag-aagawan. So, yung paint naman po dito is off-white para hindi po dumihin. At the same time, bright din po. So, ito naman po yung ating ventilation sa likod. So, makikita nyo, nasa top floor na tayo, nasa topmost, pero secured po yung property, may allowance, hindi po dikit na dikit, at meron pong ventilation. If you're interested with this unit, this is available for bank financing, any commercial banks. Pwede po akong mag-recommend sa inyo ng accredited banks na mabilis ang processing, and I could help you with full assistance po. And pwede rin po siya ng spot cash if you have the cash with you. So, merong slight discount na binibigay si seller. So, why not invest your money in this property? So, and other properties, pwede kayong tumawag sa akin, mag-message if you want to schedule for a viewing para mas ma-appreciate nyo in actual ang units na to. I have other units here in Sampaloc area, differing budgets, may small street, may wide road, so that pwedeng mag-fit para sa inyo. So, salamat po for watching my videos. Until my next vlog, thank you very much. Deal only with licensed professionals. This is Nancy Shaw Guerrero, your licensed real estate professional broker and appraiser at your service. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly share this video to your friends, families, and loved ones. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.